All right, here we go. Personal box break for Jordanccc. Sorry, but I just had to take a drink of my hot chocolate. There you go. Good luck. You picked box number 3, which is also known as 378. Come on. There you go. Focused. Good luck, buddy. Thanks for your purchase. Have it out to you tomorrow. Usually the pack autos are in 2 and 3 on the left side, so I'll put those to the bottom. Sometimes they aren't, but majority of the time they are. Save the suspense for later. Future Watch Spectrum, Mark Jordanccc for the Calgary Flames. Joel Hanley, Young Gun for the Montreal Canadiens. I'll just sleeve them as I go for you. Authentic Moments, Marian Hossa for the Chicago Blackhawks. Patrick Weirkoch for the Colorado Avalanche. Vladimir Tarasenko season highlights. Matthew Benning, Young Gun for the Oilers. I guess I don't have to say the team, it's personal break. Who you collecting this year, Jordan? Austin Matthews, Authentic Moments for the Leafs. Just personal box search. Alex Chase on update for the... Doesn't matter. Pavel Zatka, Silver Skates for the Devils, sorry. Oh yeah, I hit you that one. Yeah, that's right. Pull your RV. We pulled one in our case break earlier. Right there on the left side, you can see. Authentic Moments, Artemi Panarin. Hopefully, I'll pull you the Future Watch patch, maybe. That would be sick. Jamie McGinn. Update for the Coyotes. No, nothing good yet. I've only opened one box. Austin Matthews, Silver Skates for the Leafs. I've only opened one box. It had a Provorov Future Watch Auto and a Tana Future Watch Auto. Nothing else special. And then one box is over there in the break. Line A, Authentic Moments. Seidenberg update for the Isles. Kyle Connor, Silver Skates for the Jets. And your auto should be coming up here soon. Ryan Getzlaf, Spectrum for the Ducks. And And your 2 autos should be in the next 2 packs. Most of the boxes, some boxes aren't, but majority, they come right after each other. Bang, bang. Usually 2, 3 on the left side is what I noticed. For one whole case it was. Ugh, boo. Future Watch auto for the Dallas Stars, Issa Lindell, 425 of 999. Hopefully the next Future Watch is a good one. Or auto, I meant, is a good one. Oh, it's a patch. You hit the patch. Good luck, man. Oh, man. Look at it. It's blue. Could it be? Could it be the Oilers or Islanders? Oilers or Islanders? Oh, it's the Islanders. Damn it. Ryan Pulock, 3-color patch. Not bad nonetheless. Still a patch. Damn it. I almost called it. I thought I did. Not a bad patch, though. Too bad it wasn't, what's his name? Pulock. I gotta get some 180s that ran out over here. And that's the box. Thank you very much, Jordan. I'll have that out to you shortly.